Good morning, people. How you guys doing? Today is December 27, 2023. I'm getting ready to go to Costco to pick my daughter up a birthday cake. Today's her birthday. She's 28 years old on the 27th of December. So she turned 28 today. So me and my wife ordered a birthday cake for her, and she and her friends are gonna have a little party at some other friend's house, and she want a Costco cake. She don't want her mother to make no no cake for her. She want a Costco cake. I said, okay, no problem. So we gonna pick that up, and they gonna have a little party later over there, over by her friend's house. And that's good for me. I don't have to be there. Let's hustle. I don't have to get it home here and I had to clean up and I'll let her go and have fun with her friends. So folks, so that's what we're doing today, and yeah, that's it. And earlier, I think it was earlier in the week, we were talking about Simone Biles, what's his last Simone, who did the athlete, that gymnast. Remember her boyfriend say that she never heard about her before? Come on, give me a break. I think his problem is because he's a little fair skinned more than a girl, you think he's a little bit better than her. Like I told my daughter, don't make no man think they're better than you because they're not. If I was Simone, I'd wake up. Because even though he thinks he's better than her, honest to my opinion, because she's darker than me and blah blah blah, and she should be happy. That's not, she not saying that. That's what I think. He must be saying she should be happy because look at me, I'm a handsome guy, and regardless she's a gymnast, I still better than her in a sense, But folks, like I tell my daughter all the time, don't let no man play you for a fool. You're gonna have to play you for a fool because they can't keep that fakeness the rest of their life. So you're gonna if they love you, don't worry about it. It's gonna happen eventually. You gotta show his face. Sooner or later, the love gonna have to show what's going on. So I always tell my daughter, don't make no man make you for a fool, because I tell him, I used to be young, trust me, and I see a girl I like, he would tell a girl all kind of nice, sweet things just to have a date with her and never know what it lead to after that, So I tell him, from my point of view, I'm a man, I can tell you what's happening in life. So not make nobody play for your fool, girl. Never do that. Always got your head. And the way I look at it, nobody is better than you, and you's no better than them, and that's somebody. So don't try to. Okay, let me tell this young girl. Don't love a man more than how he love you. It should be an equal street for both of you guys. Don't love somebody more than how you love yourself. Love yourself first, young lady and young man. Love yourself first, and don't let nobody play you for a fool. Don't think because I love him, blah blah blah, and now he's acting up on me. I don't know what to do. My life is. Oh, don't worry about that. Life goes on, baby. You move on. You find somebody better, and you don't have to worry about it. I know it's hard. Love is hard because I used to young. I used to like a girl, and then I look, he got somebody else, and it hurts me. But hey, I always think life goes on. She's not better than me, and I'm not better than. Once you got that, you got have that thinking all the time, life can be all right. So don't let nobody ride you. Regardless if they got money, you got everything. I don't care about that. We need money to survive, but not make somebody just because they got money, they think they're better than you, and they could do what they want with you and stuff. Don't do that, baby. Don't do that. You make your own way. As long as you got common sense, you could read and write. That's all you need. But wait, let's say that's all you got. That's all you need to survive in this world, because you could do anything you want, You could be a millionaire if you want, as long as you got a high school education. You don't even have to have a high school education. As long as you got common sense, you could write and read. You could make it, because you could do anything. I know people that have master and all that stuff, and they don't have nothing. If once you have it, you gotta apply it, then it will happen. And this is for kids that born and raised in America or migrate to America. As long as you want something in America and you want to work towards it, you could get it. You got the opportunity. But there's a lot of kids don't want to do that. They want everything easy. And kids, don't trust me. Don't get me wrong. I mean, people wonder sometimes, how come people from different countries come here and look what they got now, blah, blah, blah. These people know what life, hard time all about. They know. I know. Because honestly, when I was a kid, I never used to have shoes. When I used to go to school, we got to walk on the blacktop, and you could see the heat coming off the hard top. But my feet was seasoned to that, because it get hard and everything, so you feel just like you have on the shoes. But what I'm saying, folks, we used to got one pair of shoes, one pair of tennis shoes, and you wear that on special occasion. Like, we used to live in the country. So when we go into the city now, we could put on a tennis shoe for that. And my mother we put on a tennis shoe then, because every 2 weeks, my mother used to go down to the city and buy groceries. So we take one of us with her. And today, this time it's me, next time it's my sister or my brother. So then that time we put on a tennis shoe. And then we go down to the city and come back. And Mama would buy me some candy. Maybe buy ice cream cone while we're there. And boy, we were happy. We come back home and life goes on. And, put it this way. We were poor, but we were happy. Like now, you make more money and all that kind of stuff, but you got all kind of bills, all kind of stress coming down on you. And you got to be ready for that. You got to make sure that you don't make those kind of things bring you down. See, I don't make stuff bother me. I really don't. If it's a bill, I don't make it bother me. If it's you have to have your mind set, because if you worry about everything, you get sick. I don't bother with that. My wife asked me, how come you don't? I don't want to. Like, put it this way. We're only here in this world for a little while. It's only a little while we're here for. Because I can remember the day I come here when I was 19 years old. I come to America, and now I'm 66 years old. You see the difference? And to me, it feels like just yesterday. And it's honestly, in these days and time, I don't know, it look like the year and the days go so fast. Pretty soon, oops, you're gone. I mean, just the other day, my little daughter was a little baby. Now he's about 28 years old. My oldest son is 34. And my second son is 32 years old. See, just the other day, this kind of thing happened. So that's what I'm saying. You gotta do it for yourself. And then the next thing again, when you're home with your parents, this is the time for you to get your life together. Go to school, be what you want, go study. Like I tell you, it's good to have education, get all those degrees, because it gives you a better to express yourself better in life, to carry yourself better, So that's good. That's good. And you're supposed to, it's good to have it. But what I'm saying, let's say you're the type that can't have it because your parents couldn't afford it and different. It's like me. My parents couldn't afford to send us to college. It was 11 of us. She can't. They can't. So we do the best thing. Get a trade, learn a trade, and go from there. And as time go by, learn whatever you want to learn. I went to school for telecommunication when I first come here, but I couldn't get my degree because why? I was illegal at that time, so they never give it to me. They take my money, but so I couldn't do nothing like that. So next thing I do, I just move on. I get a job, and a friend of mine get me a job, to a chemical plant where we do stuff for swimming pool and spa. What I do, I sweep up, clean up everything, make sure everything is right, and right from there I grow, and the company start to grow, and they buy a machine for printing and they teach me how to do it, and that's it. From there I went and learned everything, and that's it. Hey folks, I come to pick my diamond cake up at Costco, but when I look out here on the rack, it's not out here, so I tell them that who the cake for, so they went back and checked, so let's see. Here's the one with the rolls. You got happy birthday cake out here, but not the one that I want. Happy birthday.
One for Joseph.
This is my daughter's birthday cake from Costco. This is what she wanted. So let's go. And the reason why too, Costco cake is cheaper to make. Not to make, it's cheaper than making a cake anyway. That cake stuff is expensive, folks. So let's go. You know what? Oh, I know what I want. I got to have it. I need some lotion. Because if I don't, when I do like this, you can see all kind of flakes coming out. Hey, when you black, you get white. Because let's say you don't put no lotion on your foot, you scratch it. Shit, you see, it's kind of scale up.
Hey, folks, yeah. Okay, that's a silly smile.
Happy birthday, dear Joshua. Happy birthday to me.
What kind of bunch of candle you have that's not burning?
It's burning.
How old are you now?
Hey, how about we not talk about
28 years young.
She don't care. It's on her cake.
3.
It's 3 years old now.
I wish for money.
But you're not supposed to say it out loud.
I wish for a lot of things and it never comes true. So.
Joshua, give me my white camera. I set it down somewhere over there. Damn, them candles.
I was about to say,
waxy.
is it me or they put off a lot of smoke for 3 little candles?
Okay, let's take a
Oh
picture.
my god.
Oh my goodness, did I just realize something? Her birthday fell on a Wednesday.
Oh.
Did you realize that? Yeah. She was born on a Wednesday.
You got a dog named Wednesday.
That's why she has a dog named Wednesday.
Welcome, new subscribers. If you guys are under 25, 35 or so, comment. I mean, you could be older too, don't get me wrong, but I see that I get a lot of younger subscribers, and I thank you guys for that. And I'm glad that you guys like what I put out there.
Maybe we could make a brand new podcast, Joel, and you could make a series of videos talking to the younger people at your channel,
Okay.
and then giving them the same advice that you give our kids. Maybe we could do something like that.
I could do something like that.
If you guys want that, just comment below and say, hey, we'd like more videos like this, and we'll make a new podcast, because there's a new addition to the Simone Biles thing. I hear that she said publicly in a tweet or something like, are you guys done yet?
I guess
she don't want our protection?
Yeah, I guess, I mean, some of them, they don't see it right now, but as time go by, they can find it. She's going to see it, so. You know what, you got to leave them alone and let them learn by their own mistake. That's all. That's what's life all about sometimes, because sometimes some people don't want you to tell them nothing, and when it happens, then they learn. It's just like you got your kids sometimes and you tell them something and they do what they want to do, you know? So, what can you just go to advise people, and that's about it. You know. So folks, thank you guys again for watching, sharing, liking, and all that stuff. And like I say all the time, without you guys, I can't do it. So see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.